Number 1. India AI signed an MOU with which tech company for AI development in India? Correct answer B. Microsoft. Explanation: India AI, under the Digital India Corporation, partnered with Microsoft to promote AI adoption in India. The initiative includes AI skilling, research collaboration, and setting up AI innovation hubs. Number 2. Which Indian state launched the Saman Sanjeevani app on National Girl Child Day 2025? Correct answer C. Haryana. Explanation: Haryana launched the Saman Sanjeevani app under the Mahila Evam Kishori Saman Yojana to streamline welfare services for BPL women and girls. Number 3. Who became the highest run scoring Indian wicket keeper in T20 cricket? Correct answer E. Dinesh Karthik. Explanation: Dinesh Karthik surpassed MS Dhoni to become the highest run scorer among Indian wicket-keepers in T20s, accumulating 7,451 runs in 361 innings. Number 4. The Indian short film Anuja was nominated for which award? Correct answer C. Best Live Action Short Film. Explanation: Anuja was nominated in the Best Live Action Short Film category at the 97th Academy Awards, marking a milestone for Indian cinema. Number 5. Which region won the Khelo India Winter Games 2025? Correct answer C. Ladakh. Explanation: Ladakh emerged as the top performer in the Khelo India Winter Games 2025, showcasing excellence in winter sports. Number 6. UAE declared 2025 as the Year of Community under which slogan? Correct answer C. Hand in Hand. Explanation: UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan declared 2025 as the Year of Community with the slogan Hand in Hand, emphasizing unity and inclusion. Number 7. Which beaches in Kerala received the Blue Flag certification in January 2025? Correct answer B. Kapad and Chal. Explanation: Kapad Beach in Kozhikode and Chal Beach in Kannur received the prestigious Blue Flag certification from the Foundation for Environmental Education (FE) for the environmental standards. Number 8. Who was appointed as the 11th chairman of ISRO in January 2025? Correct answer C. V. Narayanan. Explanation: V. Narayanan, a senior scientist from ISRO, was appointed as the 11th chairman of ISRO and secretary of the Department of Space. Number 9. Andhra Pradesh partnered with Infosys for which initiative? Correct answer C. India's first skill census. Explanation: The Andhra Pradesh Skill Development Corporation (APSDC) signed an MOU with Infosys to conduct India's first skill census, assessing workforce skills across 3.59 crore individuals. Number 10. What is the goal of the Swiggy Serves initiative launched with Robinhood Army? Correct answer C. Distribute 50 million meals by 2030. Explanation: Swiggy partnered with the Robinhood Army to distribute 50 million meals by 2030, addressing food insecurity in 33 cities with over 160 restaurant partners. Number 11. Which company partnered with CSR NAL for advanced air mobility solutions? Correct answer B. Tata Elxsi. Explanation: Tata Elxsi collaborated with CSR National Aerospace Laboratories to develop AI-driven unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) and urban air mobility solutions. Number 12. Odisha became the 34th state to implement which health scheme? Correct answer C. Ayushman Bharat PMJAY. Explanation: Odisha joined the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana (PMJ), providing up to 5 lakh rupees per family annually for medical treatment. Number 13. What is Karnataka's Garudakshi portal designed for? Correct answer C. Forest crime reporting. Explanation: Karnataka's Forest Department launched Garudakshi to streamline the registration of FIRs related to forest crimes like encroachments and poaching. Number 14. What is the budget allocation for India's National Critical Mineral Mission (NCMM)? Correct answer C. 34,300 crore rupees. Explanation: The government allocated 34,300 crore rupees for the National Critical Mineral Mission, ensuring India's self-reliance in minerals like lithium and rare earth elements. Number 15. Which AI partnership aims to boost Indonesia's economy? Correct answer D. India's Ionos and Indosat Ooredoo Hutchison. Explanation: India's Ionos and Indonesia's Indosat Ooredoo Hutchison signed an MOU for AI based economic transformation, focusing on travel, knowledge, and food security. Number 16. Where was India's first bowstring arch glass bridge inaugurated? Correct answer B. Kanyakumari. Explanation: Tamil Nadu. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin inaugurated India's first bowstring arch glass bridge in Kanyakumari, connecting the Thiruvalluvar statue and Vivekananda Rock Memorial. Number 17. Who was appointed as the Secretary of BCCI in January 2025? Correct answer D. Devajit Saikia. Explanation: Devajit Saikia was announced as the new Secretary of the BCCI, succeeding Jay Shah. Number 18. The Bharat Run Bhumi Darshan app showcases how many battlefield locations? Correct answer B. 77. Explanation: Defense Minister Rajnath Singh launched the Bharat Run Bhumi Darshan app, which provides historical narratives of 77 battlefield locations across India. Number 19. What is the main focus of India's Pragati platform? Correct answer B. Infrastructure project monitoring. Explanation: Pragati, proactive governance and timely implementation, has accelerated 355 infrastructure projects worth 18.12 lakh crore rupees since 2015. Number 20. Which Indian cricketer was named ICC Men's Player of the Month for December 2024? Correct answer D. Jasprit Bumrah. Explanation: Jasprit Bumrah was honored with the ICC Men's Player of the Month award for December 2024 after an outstanding performance in the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Number 21. Which state became the first to implement the Uniform Civil Code (UCC) in India? Correct answer B. Uttarakhand. Explanation: On January 27, 2025, Uttarakhand became the first Indian state to implement the Uniform Civil Code (UCC), standardizing personal laws across religions. Number 22. What is the name of India's first unicorn startup of 2025? Correct answer B. Netradine. Explanation: AI-driven logistics startup. Netradine became India's first unicorn of 2025 after securing a valuation of $1.34 billion in Series D funding. Number 23. Who was appointed as NASA's acting administrator in 2025? Correct answer D. Janet Petro. Explanation: Janet Petro became NASA's first female acting administrator, replacing Bill Nelson. She was previously the director of Kennedy Space Center. Number 24. Which country launched the PRS-CEO-1 satellite for Pakistan? Correct answer C. China. Explanation: China launched Pakistan's PRS-CEO-1 satellite aboard a Long March 2D rocket from the Jukwon Satellite Launch Center. Number 25. What is the theme of India's first Tri-Services tableau at the 76th Republic Day Parade? Correct answer C. Shashakt or Surakshit Bharat. Explanation: For the first time, a tri-services tableau was featured at the Republic Day Parade, showcasing military assets under the theme Shashakt or Surakshit Bharat, Empowered and Secure India. Thank you. Something exciting is coming soon. Are you ready? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. See you next time.